I'm going to model the whole of 10 is equal to the part of 0 and 10. Or I could also point saying the whole of 10 is equal to the part of 10 and 0. To stop me getting confused between the whole and the parts, I'm going to use a piece of blue tack. I'm going to place blue tack on the block that is the whole so that I can remember. The whole of 10 is equal to the part of 0 and the part of 10. Addition is part add part equals whole. A part of 10 add the part that was 0 equals the whole that is 10. 10 add 0 equals 10. When I come to my next equation, I can swap the position of the parts with each other. So my 10 can move there and my 0 can move there, but my whole needs to stay in this position. So I still have part add part equals whole. The part of 0 add the part of 10 equals the whole of 10. When I move to subtraction, I need to remember my whole moves to this position. So I pick up my block that is the whole. My parts then live in these positions. I'll put that one there, and this can be 0. Whole subtract part equals part. The whole of 10 subtract the part of 10 equals the part of 0. When I write my last subtraction equation, I need to remember my whole stays in this position, but I can swap the position of my parts. So I can put the part of 10 there and the part of 0 there. So I still have whole subtract part equals part. 10 subtract 0 equals 10. There are the related addition and subtraction equations for the bond of 0 and 10 is 10.